Girl, do not throw out that wig. Let me show you how to go from this to this. Keep on watching. So I have this old wig sitting in my closet and I wanted to bring it back to life. So I decided to get some Kiss bleach, and I'm just going to remove some of this old color. And here I'm going to use some 30 volume Blonde Me Developer. And I'm going to mix this all up really, really well until it's creamy and it doesn't have any more lumps in it. So the purpose of this is, like I said, to get that old color off of there. We're going to do what is called a bleach wash. So it is the developer, the lightener, as you see, the hot water. We're going to use hot water that is from the sink, hot as you can get. And we're going to mix that up, the developer and the lightener, and add it into the hot water. And then we're going to add a few pumps of shampoo, and we're going to do a bleach wash. So it's just going to remove some of that old color and probably give us a lift of one level or so, because I wanted a more vibrant blue color. So we're going to make sure we detangle our wig really well, and then we are going to fully submerge it into the bleach wash. So I'm going to make sure it's all the way saturated, take my brush through, make sure that the inside of the wig and everything is coated, and you can see that color starting to already come off of there. Hot water also helps to open up the cuticle of the hair to release the color also. So that's a good tip that you want to try. So after letting it sit for about 20 minutes, we're going to rinse it. And as you can see, that water is dirty from all the old color and product. We're going to rinse it in the hottest water possible, because hot water opens up the cuticle to get any of the old dye out of there. And we're going to use some Adore with the hottest water you can get from your sink. We are going to do the watercolor method here. And we're just going to mix that really, really well to make sure there's no lumps when you dip the hair into the water. You want it to be thoroughly mixed. All right, so we are going to dip our wig into this water, and it's just like the bleach wash we did. We're going to sit that in there. We're going to brush it through, and we're going to let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes, and you can already see the color taking really, really well. And make sure you brush it through. You rinse with cold water, because cold locks in your color. So after we're done rinsing, I'm going to deep condition with this Amika Soul Food Mask. I absolutely love this. After it's rinsed, I'm going to use a leave-in conditioner. It's a 10 is my favorite. So after this step, I'm going to blow dry, and here you see this beautiful color. It's already shiny and vibrant, and I am in love. It's like a raven kind of blue. And here I'm going to use some serum. I love this Palmer's one here. It gives a really good shine, and it is a heat protectant as well. Alright, so I'm just gonna add a few curls, and look at that shine after I straightened it. I am so in love with this color. Just gonna add a quick few curls and let them sit. I want them to be kind of loose. They were a little tighter, so I had to let them fall some, but I am absolutely in love with this color. Ladies, take care of your wigs, and even if you don't, if you treat them roughly, you can always bring them back, especially with a deep condition. I really do love Amika products. But here is the final result. I'm going to comb those curls out. Hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching.